Hi guys, what's up? And I think the volume is pretty low, and I'm trying to raise up my volume, and I'm just trying to speak on a topic that is, I think, why smiling at strangers feels difficult, and it's a very interesting topic. Smiling at strangers is difficult. Smiling at strangers is difficult. Smiling at strangers feels difficult. But why? The reason is we all have lost the connection with other people, and that's why whenever we go out and we go out on a park, on a walk, we go out on a uh, morning walk, or we go out in a garden and we see other people and we do not give any reaction because we all have lost the value of human connection. And this is not our fault, this is the fault that we have improved a lot, and we have improved a lot in technology and advancement. And I think we have improved a lot in these terms, so we are connected more to the screens and the social media and the internet and all the things that are virtual and not real. So we have been more connected to the virtual world, and that's why we have lost the connection with other people around us. So whenever we go out in a park, or on a morning walk, or in a garden, we see other people and we just move on. We do not give a smile because we feel it's strange, we feel it's awkward, we feel it's cringy, we feel it's out of the box. In fact, smiling at other people's, smiling when looking at other people's is a great way to build connections. When you smile with other people, you build a connection that is strong because it started with a smile. And when you smile, they give you a smile back, and this is how you form a connection. And this is how thus a new relationship, a new relation, a friendship bond has been, a friendship bond starts. And that's why you can make friends, you can make other people look comfortable around you. When you smile at them, they feel okay, this is a good person, I can smile back. And then you exchange some little talks like, hi, how are you, where are you going, who are you, and what are you doing here, where are you from. So this is the best way to start a connection. And when you smile at other people's, it gives you a sense of connection, a sense of belonging. Because imagine you are walking in a garden and you are walking on a park, and someone smiles at you peacefully, and then you smile back, and then he asks you, hi, he says, how are you, and then you reply, I'm fine. And then you go on and start a little talk. And that's a really good thing, because you build connections, you build real world connections, and that can transform into deep friendships, or like best friends. So all these connections, when you establish real connections in the world, when you make real friends in the world, it helps you. And it makes you more comfortable in the public, and it makes you more better as a human being, because you see you have connections with real people. And in today's world, what happened is, due to the advancement of technology and the internet, we have been used to uh, addicted to the screens, and we all are having our Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram. And so we have a lot of friends there online, and we connect with them, we exchange chat like, hi, how are you, where are you. These things, you don't know whether the person in front of you really values your connection, or he is really in your friendship, or he is really comfortable with you. So in real world, in virtual, in social media, you cannot expect that you find a real friend, a true friend. And yes, it's sometimes it happens that you really get to be involved with other people, but most of the time it's just stranger vibe. When you just connect with each other, you do not know each other well, you do not spend time together, so you do not see the real colors you have with other people. So that friendship, you cannot trust on the people on the social media, when they become friends and when they become your enemy. And when you make friends in the real life, you get to see all shades of their life in front of you, so you can better trust on them, and you can make better connection, and you can improve yourself, and you can believe, and you can trust on them, and you can really form good connections. So whenever you go in a park and you see someone coming at you, and you just give them a smile, and you just smile at them, and they will smile back, and then you can ask them, how are you, where are you from, who are you, and then you can build up that connection, and that will really really help. And that's why we should give it a try. So the next time you go out in a park or a playground and you see other people, just greet them with a warm smile, and you will see magic happening right in front of you.